Ever feel like you're being watched while you're trying to brainstorm a sensitive project or a private idea? Maybe you're on a shared account at work or home, and you don't want your entire history cluttered with every random question that pops into your head. You probably know that standard browser history can be cleared, but ChatGPT usually keeps a permanent record of every single interaction right there in the sidebar for anyone to see. Today, you are going to learn how to hide your tracks instantly using ChatGPT Incognito Mode. Start by opening your main ChatGPT dashboard. You want to look at the very top right of your screen. Take a closer look, and you should see a feature called Temporary Chat. Once you flip that switch, the interface shifts into a specialized private state. You will notice the chat window looks different, and the sidebar where your history usually lives becomes blocked off or grayed out. Now you can type anything you want. Go ahead and ask it about a secret business plan or a private medical question. ChatGPT will respond exactly as it normally does. The real power happens when you are finished. Go back to that same drop-down menu at the top left and turn off the temporary chat. The entire conversation vanishes instantly. It won't show up in your history, it won't be used to train future models, and it effectively never existed. Why does OpenAI even keep your history by default? It's mainly so their systems can learn from your style and provide better context over time. The downside is that it creates a digital paper trail that can be awkward if someone else glances at your screen. A common mistake people make is thinking that just deleting a chat after the fact is enough. While that removes it from your view, the data has already been logged. Using this temporary mode prevents the log from being created in your visible history in the first place. It is important to remember that this isn't a total invisibility cloak from the internet itself. Your ISP might still know you are visiting the site, but as far as the ChatGPT interface is concerned, your secrets stay with you. You now have the power to jump in, get your answers, and disappear without leaving a single trace behind.